I think your mug is trying to teach English now.
What? That's absurd.
See? It's glowing. Touch it.
Okay, here goes nothing. Wait, please don't skip this video.
Because if you are watching this video is for you.
Let me guess something.
You understand English.
You listen to English videos.
You read English posts. But when it's time to speak,
You freeze. Your heart beats fast.
your hands feel cold,
Your mind knows the answer.
but your mouth stays silent.
You want to speak,
But fear says no. What if my English sounds bad?
so you stay quiet.
Again and again. It's because this lesson is for shy learners,
Quiet learners.
good learners who don't speak.
Today, we change that.
You don't need to be perfect,
You just need to practice.
and we will practice together here.
So subscribe to Dr. English channel.
And speak English with confidence. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dr. English channel, where learning English is clear, simple, and enjoyable.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Jennifer. Hello Jack, it's great to be here with you today. How are you?
Hi, Jennifer. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
Your English journey starts now.
Today we want to talk about something very, very real. Many English learners around the world are shy. They feel nervous in conversations. They want to speak, but their mouth stays closed.
Yes, maybe this is you. You understand English, you listen to English, you watch English videos. But when someone speaks to you, suddenly your brain says, nope, not today. And you feel shy, embarrassed, or scared to make mistakes.
And that is okay. Truly. Being shy is normal. Millions of learners feel the same. But you know what else is true?
You can learn to speak confidently, even if you are a shy person.
Today we will show you how. No pressure, no judgment, no complicated grammar. Only a simple system to help shy learners speak English with confidence, step by step, even if you never talked to anyone before.
Roadmap, what they will learn today.
In this long lesson, you will learn 3 big things. First, we will talk about the psychology of shy learners, why you feel nervous and how to overcome it gently. Second, you will learn real English sentences for everyday conversations. Extremely simple, short, and safe for shy speakers. Third, you will practice with us through easy dialogues, repeat after me training, and confidence-building exercises.
And of course, we will give you a full Shy Learner conversation system. You can use it tomorrow. You can use it at work. You can use it on a call. You can use it when meeting new people.
And by the end of this video, you will feel more ready to speak than ever before.
Section 1. Why shy learners freeze.
Jack, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt shy in another language?
Oh yes. One time I tried to order coffee in French. I practiced for 20 minutes. I repeated the phrase in my head 60 times. And when it was my turn, I said, Bonjour. Coffee? It was a disaster.
That is exactly what shy English learners experience. Your brain knows the words, but your confidence is still growing.
Yes, confidence is like a small plant. It needs water, it needs sunlight, it needs time. You cannot force it.
And shy learners often do 3 things that make conversation harder. They think too much before speaking. They worry about mistakes. They feel embarrassed to sound different.
But here is the truth. Shy people can become very good English speakers because they listen carefully, think deeply, and speak with intention.
Section 2. The small steps. Conversation method. The first step for shy learners is not to speak long sentences, not to speak for 1 minute, not to speak like a native person.
No. The first step is 1 short sentence only.
Yes, small steps, simple English, safe English.
But Jennifer, What if a shy learner feels scared even with one sentence?
Then they start with one word. Hello. Sorry. Thank you. Good. Okay.
Wow, that is so simple.
Yes. And that is the point. Shy learners need easy wins, small victories, small successes. When you speak one word today, tomorrow you can speak two.
This is like learning to swim. You don't jump into the deep water. You start by putting your toes in the water.
Section 3. Real phrases for shy learners. Now let's teach real English phrases that are short, safe, and friendly. Perfect for shy speakers. Phrase Group 1. Safe conversation. Starters, shy learners often freeze at the beginning because they do not know how to start. So here are the easiest, safest starters.
Repeat after me as well.
Hi. Hello. How are you? Good morning. Good evening. Nice to meet you.
These are simple. Anyone can use them. Phrase Group 2. When you need time to think.
If you are shy, this section will save your life.
I use these every day.
You can say, let me think. One moment. I'm not sure. Can you repeat? What do you mean? That's interesting.
These phrases buy you time. They give your brain space to form a sentence. Phrase Group 3. Small replies. Very easy.
Shy learners do not need big answers. Small replies are perfect.
Yes. Oh, really? I see. That's nice. Okay. No problem. That's good.
These keep the conversation alive. Phrase Group 4. Talking about yourself. Shy learners often panic when the topic is personal. Here are simple ways. My name is... I am from... I live in... I work as... I like
Short, friendly, easy. Phrase Group 5. Ending conversations politely.
Many shy learners fear how to end the conversation. Use these. It was nice talking to you. I'll see you later. Have a nice day. Take care.
Clean and polite. Section 4. Me and Jennifer example conversations. Now a long series of natural dialogues designed for shy learners to understand common situations.
Dialogue 1. Meeting someone new.
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Jack.
Nice to meet you, Jack. I'm Jennifer.
Where are you from?
I'm from the UK. And you?
I'm from Australia.
That's great. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Nice. What do you study?
English, with you.
Perfect answer.
Dialogue 2. At work. Complete version.
Hi, Jack. How was your day at work?
It was busy. I had many tasks.
Anything difficult?
Yes. Speaking English in the meeting, I got shy.
What happened?
My boss asked me a question, and I froze, like a statue.
That's normal. What did you say?
I said, "1 moment, please." And then I answered,
That is a great strategy.
"Really?"
Yes. 1 moment, please, is a perfect sentence for thinking time.
I will use it again.
Dialogue 3. Shopping conversation. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a shirt.
What color?
Blue, please.
What size?
Medium.
Here you go.
Can I try it?
Sure, the changing room is over there.
Returns. It fits. I like it.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
You can pay at the counter.
Thank you.
Practice section. Repeat after us. Now repeat after us. Say each sentence clearly. I can speak English. I am learning slowly. I am shy, but I can improve. I don't need perfect English. I only need to try.
Very good. Now answer. What is one sentence you can say today? Wait 5 seconds.
Today, you learned conversation skills for shy learners. Simple English, short sentences, safe expressions.
You learned the small steps method. 1 word, 1 sentence, small conversation.
You learned about building confidence slowly. You learned phrases that help you think. You learned dialogues you can use today.
And remember, being shy is not a problem. Being silent is. Speak small, speak slowly, speak simply, just speak.
Thank you for watching this long lesson. We hope you feel more confident.
Tell us in the comments, are you shy when?
And do not forget to like, subscribe Dr. English channel and join us for more fun lessons.
See you in the next video.